Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create an account on Ring app. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you're going to do is go to your Ring app and then just go to this create account option over here, and then firstly just type your name and your last name and then press continue. Then you have to select your country. In my case, I have Nepal, so I've selected it, or you can go over here and select any of your country like this, and then just continue it. And then now you have to have your email address, so let me just have mine, and then you have to retype your email like this and then press continue. And now you have to create a password. So guys, your password must contain at least these criteria, so it should meet that particular criteria. So let me just have one password right here, and then confirm your password again by typing it, and then press create account. Now it will save your password and it will take some time guys, so just have some patience. And then just go to your email, let's go to your Gmail, and then what you have to do is you have to just let's say confirm it, or let's say verify your email from that particular site. And I went to my email and I just confirm it, and just that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. Now your account has been created. Now you can see over here your account is over here like this. So that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So if you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.